Hey guys, welcome back to TutorialMas episode 3. Today we are gonna go ahead and do a tutorial on Paint.net 4.2.5. This is the taskbar. This is where you will mainly use the tools you need to edit or do photos or whatever. Drag photos around and paint photos or whatever. So, to do this, we can open a file, open any file, just click the little open file thing up here. And then what you want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and just click a photo that you have in your File Explorer, which is pretty much anywhere in the Pictures section in your File Explorer. So we can go ahead and do the picture of me and Nibbles. Easy breezy. So here's me and Nibbles. We can go ahead and do a tool. So say you want a border around your picture. We can go ahead and do this line. I don't know if you guys can see that line. It's not very bright. But there's this line. Say I want to cross out my picture with a line. You can do that, and then it shows up, but it's not a big line. So the lines in Paint.net aren't very big. So the shapes you can use, you can put shapes on a picture like a square, and you can make it bigger into a rectangle shape or a big square. Anyways, you can do pretty much anything in Paint.net with a picture. You can erase the picture, like as I am doing right now. You can erase the picture, mess the picture up, or do whatever. So yeah, you can do that. You can do that, and you can do a lot of stuff in the toolbar. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like, and share, because that's the best part of YouTubing. Until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video, and I hope you have a great day. Until next time.